promise. And now look. My sea monster is dead, and I still don't have the Book of Peace. All because of you, Sinbad.
Uh-huh. And you are?
Eris, the goddess of discord. No doubt you've seen my likeness on the temple walls.
You know, they don't do you justice.
Uh-huh. Now, about my sea monster.
Right. Listen, I'm sorry about that. I don't suppose a heartfelt apology would do.
Heartfelt? From you? Sinbad, you don't have a heart. That's what I like about you. So, I'm going to let you live. But there's just one little thing you have to do. Get the Book of Peace and bring it to me.
Right. Now see, that's a problem for me, because I had my own plans for it. Ransom, get rich, you know me stuff. Duh!
You're not thinking big enough, Sinbad. Steal the book for ransom, and you'll be rich enough to lounge on an island beach. Steal the book for me, and you can buy the beach, and the island, and the world.
You let me live, you make me rich. I retire to paradise. So far, I don't see a downside. If you keep your word.
Sinbad, when a goddess gives her word, she's bound for all eternity.
All right, you're on.
I knew you'd see it my way. So, when you've stolen the book, follow that star beyond the horizon. You'll find yourself in Tartarus, my realm of chaos.
Tartarus. I'll see you there.
It's a date then. So where were we? Oh yes. You were holding your breath. He's so cute. And so gullible. Cetus, well done.